In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a document for signing using DocuSign. Whether you're new to DocuSign or just looking for a refresher, you'll find this guide helpful in efficiently sending your documents for e-signature. Let's get started. First, open a web browser on your computer. It doesn't matter whether you're using Chrome, Safari, or Firefox. Navigate to DocuSign.com. If this is your first time here, take a moment to look around. It's always good to get familiar with the website before diving in. Now you'll want to log into your account by clicking on the Login button located at the upper right corner of the page. If you don't yet have an account, don't worry. Creating one is straightforward. Just follow the steps provided for new users. For today, we'll assume you already have an account. Now that you're logged in, let's head to the main dashboard. Here you'll see a variety of options, but for our purpose today, we'll focus on selecting a template from DocuSign's library. Templates can really save you time, especially if you send similar documents regularly. Choose a template that aligns with the type of document you wish to send. For instance, if you're sending a contract or a lease agreement, there's likely a template that fits your needs. Don't hesitate to click around to see what each template offers. Once you've settled on a template, it's time to fill in the necessary details. This will usually include the recipient's name, email address, and any specific information pertinent to the document itself. Accuracy is key here. You'll want to double-check everything to avoid sending it to the wrong person. If you have any doubts, perhaps take a moment to review your recipient details before proceeding. When you're sure that everything is correctly entered, click the Next button to move forward. You'll find yourself on the document preparation page. This is your chance to review every detail one more time. Here, you can make any last-minute adjustments, ensuring that fields are correctly mapped and all information is as it should be. This step is crucial to avoid any issues down the line, so take your time. Satisfied with your review? Great! It's time for the moment of truth. Go ahead and click Send. This action will deliver the document to the intended recipient, ready for them to review and sign electronically. Keep an eye on your email or DocuSign account for notifications on the recipient's activity. You'll be informed once the document is signed, making your job straightforward and hassle-free. And there you have it, a simple, effective way to send documents for signing with DocuSign. With practice, this process becomes almost second nature, streamlining your workflow and allowing for more productivity. Thank you for following along, and happy signing.